Frequently asked questions on change management. How can understanding organizational culture aid in managing change? Understanding whether the organization is change savvy or risk averse helps tailor the change management approach, making it more effective. How can leadership styles impact change management? Different leadership styles, such as authoritative or inclusive, may be required depending on the organization's culture and the type of change being implemented. How does governance support change management in projects? Governance supports change management by providing a formal process for evaluating, approving, or rejecting change requests that may impact the project's scope, schedule, or budget. How does organizational change impact project resources? Organizational changes, such as new leadership or restructuring, can lead to a loss of committed resources, affecting the project's progress and objectives. How should resistance to change be managed? Resistance should be managed by providing additional focus, answers, and support to those who are resistant, addressing their concerns, and helping them adapt.